After much thought and review, I decided to make this my new gaming platform. I wanted something that was portable, but also could achieve reasonable performance in games. Let's do an unboxing video of the Lenovo i5 with the NVIDIA 260. So it is a 17-inch screen and 5.5 pounds, but it comes into a 16-pound box. I also got the gaming mouse that Lenovo also offers as well. Hopefully that is worth the money. It's currently on sale with a promo code that's offered directly by Lenovo. So let's see what's in the box. Packing slip. Should contain 2 packages, the mouse and computer. Yet another packing slip. And paper. Alright, we have 2 boxes within a box. First off is the gaming mouse. It's the M200 gaming mouse. Should have 5 buttons, and hopefully is reasonably portable, but mostly will be used here. So this is the main show. Very attractive package, if I do say so myself. Now this is an upgrade for me. My last laptop was a Microsoft Surface, the Surface 3. It was a good computer, but after 6 years it started to become unreliable and slow, so I need an upgrade here. Some more protective foam. That's quite a bit heavier than my last laptop, and substantially bigger. Oh, this feels quality. So, first look has some protective plastic here, which I actually thought was imperfections as soon as I opened it, but that will peel right off. And the first thing that strikes me is just how solid this thing is. Yeah, it's heavy, it's 5.5 pounds, but it's just absolutely firm. Can do the one-handed opening, and then the screen protection comes off. Crucial, at least now with the virus spreading around, is being able to do video cameras at home. What's nice is it has a built-in privacy shutter that you see there, which is particularly nice. The in here is 2 terabytes of hard drive space, a 1 terabyte SSD, and a 1 terabyte HD. As we're looking at it from the left side, headphone jack is over here, super speed, and I believe that's a 3.0 Type A USB. On the back we have the typical Lenovo charger, a HDMI port, and then we have 2 Type A super speed SSDs, USBs, and those are 3.0 Type C USB, full size Ethernet jack, and then the Kensington lock. Obviously aggressive cooling for a nice gaming platform. A Type A port on the right side, a full-size SSD reader, and I don't know what that is, I'll find out later, and a power indicator light. No ports on the front. Go ahead and leave that open, push it to the back. Remainder in the box, you have the traditional power plug, user manuals, which I'll peruse off screen. Next in the compartment is the power plug. Now this thing is relatively thin, but a beast nonetheless. So in comparison, it's about as thick as a deck of cards, but about as big as my hand going there. So yeah, relatively sizable, but will actually fit nicely in the computer case that I have. I believe that's it. Ah, yes, that's it for the box. I'll go ahead and do an unboxing of the mouse since we have it as well. And I'll do a review of the computer after firing it up for the first time. But in the box for the M200 mouse, nice USB Type A. Always nice touch when they put the cloth braiding on the outside. It just makes it feel that much nicer. A couple instruction manuals. And this is a good sized mouse. It's going to be a little big for the bag as far as traveling, but already feels pretty nice in the hand. DPI switch, roller with click, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons total. So that was the unboxing for the Lenovo i5 17-inch. Later will come some basic reviews.